out of the lineup, along with Ryan Wilson and Jamie McGinn with long-term injuries. Steal by Landeskog, backhander saved by Scrivens, and he charges right into the net. Landeskog did, tackled by Ferentz. He runs into the goaltender. Put it behind the cage, put it into the corner, steal by the Avs. Mitchell works his way to the blue line, turns and shoots, and Scrivens makes the save. And there'll be a face-off in the Edmonton zone. All right, leading the team in points. Paul centering pass, Eberle cuts across, he shoots, but Varlamov came way out of the net. And a great play there by the goaltender to stop Jordan Eberle's effort. Pulls up, throws it back towards the far point. Pass down the slot, gets picked off. The Avalanche got it. Brought in by Mitchell. Hand off to McKinnon. Pass in front, kicked on the goal, but the save made by Scrivens. Then a hit, carried in by Eberle. Gets bumped, but makes the handoff to Hall. Cuts in, he shoots, and a save made by Varlamov. And carried out towards center by Hall. Lost it, steal made. Duchesne throwing in the circle, pass in front. That blocked. Bounced up off the boards, held in by the Avalanche. Shoots it in.
Mike Mitchell just got cut in the nose.
In front, Nugent Hopkins chases the puck. He turns and shoots, blocked by O'Reilly. Bouncing puck, O'Reilly bats it ahead, kept in at the blue line. Shot by Fane, glove. Save made by Varlamov. There's such a history there of having success. It's been a long run and a trying time for their fans. Oilers, and he's going to take on Cody McLeod. McLeod and Hendricks throwing punches. McLeod's helmet has come off, right by McLeod. Hendricks has got a hold of him pretty tight. McLeod throwing another punch by McLeod, laying on the side of the helmet. Carried in the corner by Pouliot. Moves the puck for Purcell. Give it back. Purcell in the corner. Threw it out in front off of Varlamov. Back to the point. Shot got through. Back in. What a stretch and a save by Varlamov.
The shot from the point got through. Good neck presence down low. And you're on me. Oh my goodness.
Into the corner for Petrie. Spencer sends it up the boards. Held at the point by Cleach. Steal made. Barry moving down the slot. He shoots, and a save made by Scrivens. O'Reilly had the puck. We're going 4-on-4 hockey. O'Reilly makes a steal. He's got the angle and shoots, but it goes off the arm of Scrivens. For the Oilers, for slashing. Power play number 2 of the game for the Avalanche. One-timer off the outside part of the post by Jarome Iginla. That was to head up ice. Picking up speed as he gets to the red line. Over the line to the trailer. Briere shoots and missed. Back up the wing and cleared out to center ice. Backed in around the boards by McLeod. Scrivens falls down behind the net. Pushed around the wall. Yakupov gave it away. Bad pass. Cutting in is Barry. Shoots, but Scrivens makes the save.
Well, for Ben Scrivens, came over from Los Angeles to join the Edmonton Oilers, and man, that's just one of those ones, Mike. You just fall down. But good passing by the Avalanche. A couple of these situations. They're driving towards the net. Did that ping off the post? I think it did, Mike.
It sure did. Skeets over the line. Now Danny Briere with the puck for the Avs. To the corner for Duchesne. Circles out in front. Pat scores! Daniel Briere with his 7th of the season, set up by Matt Duchesne, and the Avalanche are ahead 1-0 in the second period.
So they've been coming, Mike. They've been coming. Colorado Avalanche pressing the play. Briere, who's been put on the right side, but Mike again down low. Who is down low causes some trouble? Johnson. He's down there. That's what he just finished talking to us about, jumping into that hole. Now, is he the man that made the play? Of course not. But he was one that started to get people looking, wondering what he was going to do. And then, what a nice play by Matt Duchesne on that goal.
Connect for help, score and summary. 7th of the season for Daniel Briere. And the assist to Matt Duchesne and Tyson Barrie
for the Avalanche.
Let's get the puck after the faceoff. One-timer by Iginla, stopped by Scrivens. The puck comes free. Right out of the zone. Avs again do a nice job holding it in. Shot by O'Reilly, and the glove save made by goaltender Ben Scrivens. Puck comes back to Stewart. Pass up ice for Briere. Behind him for Landeskog. Spins away from trouble. Pass in the slot. Holding in. Shot save made by Scrivens. Squeezed off the puck by Holden of the Avalanche. Back behind the net. Cheats in the corner. Roy, pass in the slot. Shot by Purcell. That one went off of Varlamov and wide. And Gay. Cross ice pass. Jordan Eberle. Back into the Avalanche zone. Hand off to Hall. He cuts in. Centered across. And a sliding. Save made by Varlamov.
I guess about 4 guys that needed to get off the ice. They got banged, bumped, blocked shots.
Run in by Fraser. Got trickled to the front of the net. It's covered by Varlamov for a faceoff.
Like I apologize. I'm watching Nugent Hopkins is talking to the trainer about getting a skate on the back of his leg. Trainer's looking at him right.
Hand off. Eberle back to Schultz at the blue line. Finds Eberle. Gives it back to Schultz. Shot through traffic. Knocked down. And it's in. And this game is tied at 1. That's a power play goal for the Edmonton Oilers. Somehow that puck found its way into the back of the net.
Well, they just stayed with it. Yeah, but it didn't look dangerous, and all of a sudden it was, and it just popped up over.
Benoit Pouliot.
Pouliot might.
I think he might be the best player tonight.
Yeah,
he's been good.
He's played real well. He's
coming in on Barry. Nice move. And a shot goes tipped wide into the corner. Nugent Hopkins goes down to the ice. Steal made. Cutting across. Shot. Loose puck and Snow Angel save made by Varlamov to the Avalanche blue line. Stewart's pass picked off. Purcell. 2-on-1 Oilers with Hall. Shot off the post by Purcell. Back to the point for Schultz. He walks in, he shoots, and that one directs wide. Other defenseman Holden behind the net for Duchesne. Landeskog picks up the puck. Pass back. Shot by Holden. Handheld by Scrivens.
Yeah. Under the nice pass across. Duchesne finds it. Duchesne coming through.
Dropped it behind the net for Iginla. Tanguay's got a man in front. There's the pass towards O'Reilly, but it was tipped by Roy. Back around the shelf. Iginla catches up to the puck. Threw it to O'Reilly. Threw it on nets. And a glove save made by Scrivens. Dropped behind the net. Barry racing up ice. Gives to McKinnon. Gets by one man. Cutting in. Backhander saved by Scrivens. Second consecutive game for the Avalanche. They're going to overtime. Same thing for the Edmonton Oilers. Tanguay in front. There's a chance, but it's broken up. 2-on-1 the other way for Edmonton. Hall coming in. Hall in. Shot. And Varlamov makes the save. He got his right arm up and made the save.
Here's that first chance they had. Eberle, Mike, he does a great job of just getting some time. And Hall on the 2-on-1. You look over, and not to say that you shouldn't pass, but the defenseman's there. You say, you know what? The best play for me is to shoot right now.
Pass flies through for Eric Johnson. Skates in, he shoots, and a glove save by Scrivens. He was moving to his right, but reached back with that left hand to make the save.
There's the speed that McKinnon gives the defenseman, and then there's just that force that Johnson has, because
this one is headed to a shootout. Shane scored the last couple shootout goals with a backhand. He's going to forehand side, coming in. He's got it. Scored by Matt Duchesne. Tanguay for the win in the shootout for the Avalanche. Alex Tanguay waits and scores. And the Avalanche win in a shootout. They win the Groove Subaru shootout and win the game 2-1.